Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Stitch Bookmark is probably one of the most innovative and practical tools for any avid reader or crafter looking to add a touch of personality and functionality to their reading experience. This unique bookmark not only keeps your place in your favorite novel but also serves as a delightful decorative piece, seamlessly blending the worlds of literature and needlecraft. Imagine effortlessly marking your page with a charming, handcrafted element that speaks to your creative spirit, making every reading session a little more special and visually engaging. It's more than just a bookmark. It's a tiny work of art designed to enhance your literary journey. Number 5. Wayzton Leather Heart Bookmarks. Introducing our exquisite handmade heart bookmarks, crafted from soft PU leather. They are designed to protect your book's corners without causing any damage, ensuring a delightful reading experience. These page markers are not only waterproof and durable but also feature fine hand stitching for a comfortable touch. They are built to last, offering long-term protection for your beloved books. Embrace a quiet and gentle reading atmosphere with their elegant, vintage leather designs. These accessories add a touch of sophistication to your reading sessions. Simply slip it onto the corner of your last read page for easy reference. It serves as a practical bookmark and a charming decoration, making your reading more engaging. These make a perfect, long-lasting gift for students, teachers, office workers, and anyone who cherishes books. They are also great as classroom rewards. You'll receive a set of 6 bookmarks in a variety of colors, including black, green, rose, brown, pink, and yellow. This ample quantity and selection ensure you always have the perfect one for any occasion. What we like? This one is crafted from soft PU leather with fine hand sewing, ensuring it won't damage your books. Its elegant, vintage design creates a peaceful reading atmosphere. If you appreciate a classic aesthetic and want a durable, comfortable bookmark, this is a great choice for adding a touch of sophistication to your reading sessions. What people say. The bookmark is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. Its slim and elegant design makes it a beautiful addition to any book. The bookmark is designed to hold pages securely without damaging them. Number 4. Leezmark 4 PCS Classic Stitched Leather Bookmarks. Experience the elegance of the past with these classic stitched bookmarks. They evoke a sense of nostalgia, connecting you to the timeless stories you love. Each one is carefully handcrafted from high-quality PU leather, offering a comfortable feel and durability. They are designed to withstand daily use without damage. These versatile accessories are perfect for marking your page, decorating your books, or even as unique business souvenirs. Let them add a special touch to any library or classroom. Searching for a thoughtful gift? These bookmarks are a practical and stylish choice for any avid reader, student, or writer in your life. This set includes 4 finely stitched bookmarks in brown, green, khaki, and black. With ample quantity and colors, you can choose the perfect one for every occasion. What we like? These bookmarks offer a vintage flavor with classic stitching and a comfortable touch, made from eco-friendly PU leather. They are flexible and durable for long-term use. If you're looking for a bookmark that evokes a sense of nostalgia and tradition, with a practical leather rope for easy handling, these are perfect for adding a touch of timeless elegance to your reading. What people say. The bookmark is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. Its slim and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around without adding bulk to your book. The unique stitch design adds a touch of elegance and personality to your reading experience. Number 3. OTOTO Nessie Tail Bookmark. Introducing the Nessie Tail Bookmark, a charmingly designed bookmark that adds a touch of magic to your reading. It's perfect for keeping your place in any book. Looking for a unique gift? This adorable creature makes a wonderful present for readers of all ages, bringing joy and happiness. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Binge read to your heart's content and pause whenever you need. Simply place it on the page, and it will gracefully save your spot, ensuring you can always return to where you left off. Crafted from sturdy yet lightweight plastic, it's built to last without damaging your book's pages. Its compact size makes it easy to carry anywhere. This quirky buddy transforms everyday reading into a delightful adventure. It's designed to bring fun and a touch of magic to your literary journey. Choose from 3 delightful colors to match your style. Stay organized and keep your chapter in sight with this charming accessory. What we like. This bookmark features a playful and unique Loch Ness monster design from an award-winning studio, adding a touch of magic to your reading. Made of sturdy, lightweight plastic, it won't damage pages. If you're seeking a fun, quirky, and conversation-starting accessory to make your reading experience more enjoyable, especially for younger readers or those who love whimsical items, this is the one. What people say. This is a cute and functional bookmark. It is made of metal and is very sturdy. It also has a small charm attached to it, which is a nice touch. I love this bookmark. It is so unique and pretty. I have gotten so many compliments on it. It is also very well made and durable. This bookmark is perfect for my needs. It is thin enough to fit in any book and it does not damage the pages. It is also very easy to use. Number 2. Vervaco Butterfly Cross Stitch Bookmark Kit. Discover the joy of creating something beautiful with this exquisite cross-stitch kit. Perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Featuring a charming butterfly amidst blooming flowers, this design brings a touch of nature's beauty to your crafts. It's a delightful project to bring to life. This kit provides everything you need, including 14-count fabric for a refined finish. All materials are selected for their quality and ease of use. Craft a personalized bookmark that's both functional and a work of art. Its generous size ensures it stands out in any book. With an approximate finished size of 6 by 20 centimeters, 2.4 by 8 inches, this bookmark is ideal for adding a handmade touch to your reading experience. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This handmade bookmark is a wonderful option for friends and family who appreciate unique, crafted items. What we like. This is a cross-stitch kit, allowing you to create your own beautiful butterfly on flowers bookmark. It comes with 14-count fabric for a detailed design. If you enjoy crafting and want a personalized, handmade bookmark that you can proudly display, this kit offers a rewarding and creative way to mark your pages. What people say. This is a very cute and functional bookmark. It is made of metal and has a nice weight to it. It doesn't bend or break easily. I love the design of this bookmark. It's so unique and adds a touch of personality to my books. It's also very sturdy and stays in place well. The Stitch Bookmark is a great gift for any Disney fan. It's well made and the details are fantastic. It's a fun way to keep your place in a book. Number 1. Antioch Disney Lilo and Stitch Magnetic Page Clips, 6-pack. Introducing a unique way to mark your spot in any book or journal. These handy clips keep your page securely fastened. Each set includes 6 page clips, featuring adorable Lilo and Stitch shapes and designs. They're perfect for showing your love for reading. These magnetic bookmarks are ideal for books, planners, and more. They offer a fun and practical way to keep your place. Show your enthusiasm for reading with these delightful clips. They are suitable for anyone aged 13 and up. Measuring 8.66 foot x 2.95, these clips are designed for easy use and storage. They're a great addition to your stationery collection. What we like. These are magnetic page clips featuring the beloved Lilo and Stitch characters, designed to easily attach to pages without slipping. They are perfect for books, journals, and planners. If you're a fan of Disney, especially Lilo and Stitch, and want a fun, practical way to keep your place while showing off your fandom, these magnetic clips are an excellent choice. What people say. This is a cute and functional bookmark. It holds my place perfectly without damaging the pages. I love the design of this bookmark. It's unique and adds a touch of personality to my reading experience. It's also very sturdy and well made. The Stitch Bookmark is a great gift for any Disney fan. It's a practical item that they can use every day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.